Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to draw an eyebrow like in this makeup look. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, subscribe for more makeup tips. So yes, let's get started. I'm going to be using this brow tamer right here, Tame It by Viange, to tame the eyebrows just like that. Tap your brush on the tamer, then apply it on the brows. Moving on to my H&E to sketch the eyebrow with this fire Viccabel angle brush. This brush is very flat. I'll make it easier for you to sketch. Just make sure you get a really flat angle brush for your eyebrow, okay? So I started from the down part, and that's my H&E at the back of my hand. I just put little there so it will be easy for me to reach. Sorry, I had no idea my hand was blocking the view when I was sketching this upper part, but you will see it very well when I'm drawing the other side. When I'm done sketching, I fill in the end of the brow where I think there's no brow here, just the end, because I'll be using pencil to fill in the rest. Now on to the other eyebrow. I'm repeating the same routine, the down part first, then the upper one. I think this brow is way lighter than the other one I sketched first, so I'm sketching it all over again. And yes, the upper area sketch starts a little behind where I started the down area. Then to fill in the brows is my Davis pencil. Actually, I sharpened more than 2 pencils. I sharpened like 6 of them because when one becomes blunt, I need to switch it immediately. I'm just trying to create small thin lines between, under or above a brow hair. Avoid filling on the hairs itself, okay? I'm just trying to make the pencil lines form along with our brow hairs. Someone with no brow hair, I guess you just have to make thin lines with the pencils to look like hair. I'm not laughing. A friend of mine with no brow hair just came to my mind. It's time to conceal, babes. I'm using Zikel concealer as seen in the shade Nude&cafe. I used the nude shade for the brow bone, which is what I'm doing right now. It's an highlighted area, so I need to use a light shade. But she's dark, so I'm not using a really light one, which is why I go for the nude. Now I'm using the darker shade of concealer, which is the Cave, for the in, out and upper corners of the brow. You're almost getting to the end of this tutorial. There is no much work after this. And also, you can check the description box below for the list of the products I used and the color shade I used for my HE pencil and others. Lastly, I blend the concealer starting from the upper area, then the in and out corners and the brow bone area. In the description box too, there is a description on how I measured the brow, so check it out there. This right here is the final look. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will also post a video of the full makeup tutorial soon. Just say the word and it's all yours. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.